Hey guys, it's Brandon, aka B.Rich Beauty, aka your beauty best friend. And welcome back to the channel. What are we doing today? Oh, we are doing some makeup and I am excited, honey. We have a new president. And I'm just super excited to do something festive and holiday inspired and fall inspired and just festive, plain old festive. So you know what to do. Grab your beverage, let go. On over there. Honey, this Halloween snatchback diet is over. I got me a cocktail in here. Well, really, I got champagne because I got so excited. I just had to open a bottle of bubbly in the house. So I'm sipping on a little bit of champagne with a little bit of Saint Germain. Ooh, fancy. So what I thought we would do today is, obviously it's fall, it's November. Why don't we do a little something fall inspired? I felt inspired by these embellishments, this glitterization. And I said, you know what? I want to do something that's gold inspired, that spells money. So we're going to do a look today, still utilizing the MAC holiday collection because I'm kind of obsessed with it. Seriously obsessed with it. And so we're going to do that and bang out a look. So let's get started. So I'm obsessed with the dual ended eyeliner still. So this one is going to be Dark Spark and Bitter and Glitter. So I'm gonna use this brown side first, and we're just gonna lay this bronzy, chocolatey magic all over the eyelid, like this. I'm gonna use my fluffy brush, like this, and we're gonna buff and blend this out over the eyelid. So I just wanna warm up my eyelid really quickly, just to make this like my base and to create the base of what I'm going for. Super simple, right? I really like this eyeliner. See how easy this glides on? And what I am gonna do also is I'm gonna take this underneath and we're just gonna wrap this around because y'all know I love a good smoky something. Fluffy brush still, just kind of soften this up some. I'm gonna make this dark on the corner here just to make my eye appear a little bit more lifted. Wham, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Have y'all started playing around with y'all festive fall and holiday looks? I hope so. This is, you know, one of my favorite times of the year. And not like my favorite times of the year like Mariah Carey. Like, I'm not on October 31st counting down to midnight for November 1st to be like, it's Christmas. That's not me. But I do love a good little zhuzh and I like to be festive. And I like to shimmer and glimmer and just look real snatched and put together. That is me for the holiday season. I'm taking Red Brick eyeshadow by MAC, loading both sides of the brush. Starting in the middle, I'm just gonna pull this up into my socket and really kind of like work this back and forth in a sweeping motion, just to warm this up. You know, when I think about like gold and things like embellishments, I like to work warmer colors just to kind of all be cohesive and work well together. And I love Red Brick. On a deeper skin, it's so nice and warm that it almost helps to color correct as well. Devoted to Chili. This is one of those Powder Kiss eyeshadows by MAC. You know, I love this. Super silky, super concentrated in color. Look at that. She's gonna go on the outer corners like this. Press, press, press. Look at that. I love it. And then she's gonna go on the inner corner like this as well. I'm gonna pull this in slightly up. And on the outer corner, I'm gonna pull this in and slightly up. What do y'all think? It's nice and warm. Perfect. Here's the fun part. A little Fix Plus. Now this eyeshadow is called Sparktacular. And because of the way it's made, I can add water to it. I'm gonna use a flat brush. Come closer, look at this. right in the center. I'm pressing this on. Look at that. Oh, this is so pretty. I love this eyeshadow color. It's like a champagne gold. So I'm putting this down first because I'm gonna put another gold on top of it as well. Now that I have this on, this yummy highlighter, Flair for the Dramatic, I'm taking that and I'm layering that on top as well to warm it up. So I love this because even though this is a highlighter, you can also still use it as eyeshadow. So I'm just pumping up the intensity and the colorization here. Ooh, yes, this is what we want. We're gonna go back with Red Brick, a fluffier brush. And we're gonna work these edges, work these edges, work these edges. Exactly. Y'all know what song that's from? Come on, Tiana Taylor. We're gonna take this. This is actually gonna be our highlighter under our brow. Boom. Like that. Ooh. Y'all see this highlight? Ooh, I am high lit. Notice I put it just under my arch because I want that to be the highest point that's lifted. Look how I look like I got a little work done. Ooh, he likes looking like he got work done, y'all. So now, all we have to do, I like this eye. Y'all like it? Take a little bit of this with our pencil brush in the corner. Let there be light. I'm gonna grab a little bit of the Devoted to Chili. Underneath right here, add just a little bit more. And I'm gonna take the liner, go in the waterline, just to frame the eye. Like that. Ooh. Let's add more on the eyelid. Just on the ball itself, so it's nice and bright. So we're gonna do this as our highlight. This is such a beautiful highlight that's nice and soft. I'm gonna take a little bit of the Red Brick and right through where my contour is, just gonna add in a little bit of color. Red Brick, all y'all chocolate girls out there, and boys, this is a good one to have. Let's curl these lashes. Mascara me down, baby. And you know what? I feel like I want to go darker underneath, but I don't want to use black. So I'm just going to take a little bit more of this Devoted to Chili and go underneath a little bit darker. Pencil brush, Devoted to Chili. Corner here. Here. I like the way that makes the center of my eye kind of jump out a little bit more at you. More eyeliner, why not? Fix Plus. More in the inner corner. Make this really pop. Y'all know I'm still on this whole clear lip gloss train. Sorry. My lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool. I don't know the words, but hey, let's do it. Y'all know I'm not a rapper, right? And there you have it, my festive, slightly fall look. So, Red Brick eyeshadow, which I love. These dual-ended eyeliners by MAC. This one again is Dark Spark and Bitter and Glitter, honey. On the eye, we got Sparktacular, along with my favorite highlighter for the season, Flair for the Dramatic on the eyelid as well, and on the face as a highlight. Devoted to Chili is our deeper color that's wrapping the eye. Mascara, clear lip gloss, bada bing, bada boom. I hope you like the look. And there you have it, a little fall inspired makeup. Am I giving you guys pumpkin spice something? pumpkin spice latte, pumpkin pie. I feel like I'm invoking the change of the seasons and like how the leaves change. I'm giving you all types of Mother Earth fall realness. I don't know. I hope you like it though. I kind of really like the warmth of this look, especially against this gold here. But you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel if you like this video if you like, but most importantly, leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about this look. And are y'all into fall makeup just yet? If so, tell me what y'all done so far. Tell me what you want to see for future videos. How about that? Always taking requests. So in the meantime, who loves you? I do. Take care, guys. See you soon. Bye.